Let's talk about Helldivers' server gun, how to check status. Fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
It's a genuine blow to the morale of any dedicated Helldiver, but fear not, brave soldier. We will dive deep into exactly how to effectively check the Helldivers' server status, identify common connection issues, and equip you with the essential steps to troubleshoot and hopefully get you back to crushing bonds and bots for freedom.
When you suspect Helldivers' servers are down, your first stop should always be the official sources. Check the official Helldivers Twitter account or the Arrowhead Game Studios website for real-time updates and announcements. They'll often communicate planned maintenance or widespread outages directly, giving you the most accurate information. Don't forget to look for any in-game announcements or news feeds right on the tile screen, as these can also inform you about server status.
If official channels are quiet, the Helldivers community is an excellent resource for checking server status. Head over to the Helldivers Reddit page. Players are usually quick to report issues and share updates. There you can also utilize third-party websites like Down Detector, which aggregates user reports to show if others are experiencing similar problems. While not always definitive, a spike in reports on these sites is a strong indicator of a wider issue. Sometimes the issue isn't with the Helldivers servers, but on your end. Start by simply restarting your game client and your core console, as this can often resolve mere glitches. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable, and try restarting your router, as network problems can mimic server issues. You might also want to verify your game files through Steam or your console system, just in case any day it became corrupted. If you've exhausted all options and confirm a widespread server issue, the best course of action is often patience. Game developers work tirelessly to resolve server problems, and these things can take time. Keep an eye on those official channels for updates and avoid repeatedly trying to log in, as this can sometimes exacerbate server load. Remember, Super Earth needs you, but a stable connection is key to victory.